In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive location. Whether you're running out of space on your primary drive, organizing your files in a new way, or simply preferring to have your data stored in a different location, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's start by understanding why you might want to change your OneDrive storage location. OneDrive by default stores your data in a preset location on your computer. However, as your files and folders grow over time, you may find the need to move them to a drive with more space or to an SSD for faster access. Whatever your reason, the process is straightforward and only requires a few steps. First, we need to prepare OneDrive for the move. This involves signing into the OneDrive app, but there's a small but crucial step before that. If you're currently logged into OneDrive, you'll need to log out. It's a necessary step to ensure that the changes we're going to make are correctly applied. To sign back in, simply open the OneDrive app and you'll see the option to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials and you're ready for the next step. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Sync and Backup settings. Here you will find the Manage Backup option. This section allows you to see exactly what is being backed up to OneDrive. Understanding what data is being synced is crucial before changing the location, as it gives you a clear picture of the transfer you're about to initiate. Now it's time for the key part of the process. Look for the Change Location button and click on it. This action is your first step towards relocating your OneDrive data. After clicking Change Location, a Next button will appear. Click Next to proceed. It's all part of the process to ensure you're making deliberate changes to your storage settings. At this point, you'll choose the new location for your OneDrive folder. A dialog box will appear showing your computer's file system. From here, navigate to the drive or folder where you wish to move your OneDrive. It could be a different partition on your hard drive, an external hard drive, or an SSD. Select the desired location and confirm your selection. It's important to choose a location with enough space to accommodate your current OneDrive usage and future expansions. After you've selected the new location, OneDrive will begin moving your files. This process may take some time, depending on the size of your OneDrive folder and the speed of your computer. It's moving each file and folder to the new location while ensuring that the sync integrity remains intact. That means even after the move, your files will continue to sync with the cloud as they did in the previous location. Now let me share a couple of additional tips to ensure this process is as smooth as possible. Firstly, make sure you have a reliable internet connection during this process. While the files are moving locally, OneDrive might still sync some changes to the cloud, ensuring everything is up to date. Secondly, don't move or delete files in the OneDrive folder during the relocation process. It could confuse the software, leading to syncing issues or data loss. Once the process is complete, OneDrive will show you a message confirming that your files have been moved. You can now breathe easy, knowing your OneDrive content is exactly where you want it to be, on the drive of your choice. Moving your OneDrive location can significantly help manage your computer's storage and improve overall performance, especially if you're offloading files from a crowded SSD to a larger HDD. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your OneDrive location. By following these steps, you can reorganize your data storage in a way that works best for you. Remember, the ability to change where your files live shouldn't be taken lightly. With this informative guide, you've taken control of your data and made your storage work for you, not against you. Whether you're optimizing for space, performance, or organization, you're now equipped to make the most out of OneDrive.